In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Discord server link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean invite link you can paste into a message, email, or anywhere else you need. Start by opening Discord on your desktop app or in your web browser and signing in. You'll see your list of servers on the left sidebar as small icons. Choose the server you want to share. This ensures you're generating a link for the right community. If you manage multiple servers, glance at the server name at the top of the channel list to confirm you're in the correct one. Also, keep in mind that some servers restrict invites, so if you don't see the invite option later, you may need a role with permission to create invites. Once you're inside the right server, look toward the top of the channel list. Depending on your version of Discord, you'll either see an invite option directly, or you can click the server name at the top to open a small menu where the invite option appears. Select Invite to Server. This opens an invite panel with a ready-to-share link that Discord creates for you. If the wording looks slightly different, like invite people, that's normal. Discord occasionally updates labels, but the function is the same. With the invite panel open, click Copy. Discord instantly places the invite link on your clipboard. You won't see anything obvious happen on screen, but the link is now ready to paste. Head to your chat, email, or wherever you want to share it and paste the link. Recipients can use it to join your server in one click, and you'll typically see them appear in the member list as soon as they accept. A few quick tips for smooth sharing. Invite links can be time-limited by default. If someone tells you the link expired, that's not unusual. Many servers use links that stop working after a set time or number of uses. In that case, ask a moderator or admin to generate a fresh link or adjust the server's invite settings to make a longer-lasting one. If you don't see invite to server at all, you likely don't have permission to create invites. Reach out to the server staff to help. And as a best practice, only share your invite with people and places you trust, especially if the server has private channels or sensitive discussions. That's it. Open Discord, go to the correct server, select Invite to Server, click Copy, and paste your link wherever you need it.